You suck and you are trash. This video, I will teach you why you suck and how not to. But before I teach you how not to suck, subscribe or you still suck. Now the first reason why you suck at the piano is we are always told to put emotions into our song. But what does emotion mean? Does it mean to play with different faces? No, not really. Let me give you an example. Wrong. That playing seems like there's a lot of emotion. However, it all sounds loud and lifeless. Here's how you play it correctly. There are three things you must have: dynamics, phrasing, and feeling. For example, let's take Twinkle Twinkle Stars as an example. I'm going to play the melody. Hear the difference. Hear how I started soft, but as the music progresses, it slowly gets louder. Listen again. See how I'm moving along with the music? As the notes are played softly, I go in to make sure that I'm able to control the notes even better. When the notes go soft, I go lower. When it gets louder, I come up. This way, it doesn't feel flat, and there's more emotion, there's more feeling, and it actually sounds nicer as there's a dynamic range and dynamic differences. Besides, as a bonus tip, you can use the pedal. Without pedal, and with pedal. That's about emotion. Now that you have mastered the art of having emotion in your songs, let's move on to the second tip on why you suck at the piano. Chords, chords, and chords. We always hear the word chords. However, the thing with chords, right, is that many people play chords like they're playing hopscotch. They jump everywhere. Let me give you an example. I'm talking about you, play like this. That were you. So we are going to talk a little bit about music theory here, not too much. I don't want to scare you all. So first we are going to learn simple inversions. We have C major, C, E, and G, the root. We call this the root inversion, C, E, and G. Now, how to play other inversions? So we have the root inversion. First inversion, we take the E and the G. We do not move it. However, we move the C to the other C. This is the first inversion, and then there's always a second. So we have G, C, and E. So root inversion, first inversion, and second inversion. Why is this important, you may ask? As you have seen just now, I played a very simple 4-chord progression. C major, A minor, F major, and G major. Now, watch how it makes it sound better. We start with C major. But notice that in the A minor chord, there's an inversion that is really close to C major, which is the first inversion of A minor. Watch. So, with inversions, you can make the chords glide and transition smoothly into the other. For example, C major can transition to C minor. And, using the same logic, notice how, with F major, you can turn into A minor and F major. To end it off, we have G major second inversion. So it becomes A minor, F, G, and then you can end it on C. It sounds better, and instead of jumping, it actually transitions smoothly. 2 down, 1 to go. Another reason, and the last reason why you suck at the piano, which is the most important reason, is... I know. Just like everyone, when we start learning the piano, we get excited learning new pieces, learning new songs, that after the first song we learn, we want to learn the second, the third. However, just like with everything in life, if you want to succeed, we have to work on the basics first. If you want to run, you have to start by crawling, and then you transition into walking, and then ultimately, you'll be able to run. Just like learning piano. If you want to learn pieces, you have to learn the basics. Piano theory, scales, chords, chord progressions, a lot more. So, in the next video, I will teach you about how you can improve on the basics of the piano. That's up the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future piano tutorials and future piano covers on all your favorite songs. Comment down what songs you would like next. Stay tuned.